In this video, we'll show you how to set up and manage 2 WhatsApp accounts on a single phone. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. This feature is useful if you want to use different phone numbers without needing multiple devices. Let's walk through the steps. The first method is using dual WhatsApp apps. To do this, go to your phone's settings. On some devices, you may need to scroll down and look for advanced features. Once you're there, you can find the Dual Messenger option. Tap on it and then you'll see the option to enable WhatsApp. This will create a second version of the app. Once enabled, you can follow the prompts to install a second copy of WhatsApp. When you're done, exit the settings, and you'll notice a second WhatsApp icon with an orange indicator. Open it up, and you'll be able to set up this new account just like the first one. If your phone doesn't support this dual messenger feature, there's another option within WhatsApp itself. Open WhatsApp, go to the settings menu, and tap on the Add button on the right. At the bottom, you'll see the Add Account option. Tap there, and you can add a second WhatsApp account, allowing you to manage both accounts within the same app. That's it.